Hey guys, Louis Vandervalk here with Blue Crocus Solutions. Just going to walk you through a few things that we did. This is a little bit of an interesting case study on a Christmas light website and how that's getting our clients some leads. So what I want to do to kind of set the stage is basically this client had done a power washing site with us, and last year, 2020, I guess, he came to us in November and he said, "Hey, I want to get something going for Christmas lights." And I said, "Okay, let's see what's going on, see what we can do." So we tossed up this website. We had it up in, I think it was a week or two. The team and I, we got to work, had it up in a week or two. So I believe mid-November he had the site up, and I just wanted to walk you through, kind of the progression of how this went, and how organic traffic can get you a ton of leads. Okay, so here's the website. I'll show it to you here. Open up in this screen. I had some caching issues on my other browser, and just have a lot going on. So I pulled it up in this browser in an incognito tab, so you can see how it looks here. Basically, we've got a lot of content. So from we work with a lot of SEO. We do a lot of SEO and web design, and content is incredibly important. So this website's pretty content heavy. We've got multiple pages here with service offerings, and then the different areas that they service. Okay, so just a few things to note when it comes to converting clients into converting visitors into clients is have easy ways for them to get in touch with you. We've got a call now button. It's clickable. If I click this, it'll I can even call through the browser. But if you click it on mobile, it's click to call. We've got a quote form here that you can see. It's above the fold here. So get your free quote. They come in here, name, phone, email, and then they can choose what type of service, and then whatever message they have here. So the main things that we do with sites is have it as easy as possible for people to reach out to you, and have the site tell Google what it is that you do and where you do it. Okay, so we filled it out. You can see Harrisburg, PA is where this is located. We've got all of that information on here, and that's incredibly important. If you're getting a website built or you're building one, tell Google what you do and where you do it. Okay, we've got a little countdown here, which the client requested, which Christmas is coming up fast. Book a professional holiday lighting install. We've got a 24-hour replacement service. Provide holiday lighting, in these areas. So we're telling Google what we do and where we do it. A little bit of info here, so on and so forth. Okay. Then we've got the service pages, and these all link out to the separate service pages that are here. So we've got telling Google a little bit about what they do on the homepage here. You can open up and see the pictures. Some awesome pictures here. But this is the main site. If we go over to the service pages here, we've got so on and so forth. But what I wanted to show you was, this is the general layout of the site. So what we did is we threw this up in I believe it was live mid-November of last year. And we didn't touch it after that. He got some leads actually last year. So it ranked, obviously we indexed it and whatnot, but it ranked last year, got some leads coming in. And this year, take a look at these stats, guys. If we go over to the website here, this is the stats for this year. Okay, so this is just on the back end of the website. We've got the last month, and you can see here the traffic. So we've got, you can see beginning of November, it was, a little slower. And then, end of November really ramps up. So they've gotten 45 form submissions and 20 click to calls. So this is really exciting, right? Because the client didn't pay a whole lot for this to get this up. They're not paying for ongoing SEO or whatever. They basically paid to get it up, and then it just stayed there over the summer. It was up. It was live. Google got to know what they were about. We had a lot of content on the site that was very relevant. The site was structured well, and boom. So this is something, probably a little bit late in the year to throw something up and expect to get, leads off of it this year. But if you get something up in January and let it, because the age of a website does play into it. But if you get up something in January, take some of the profits from this year put it into a website, you've got a solid sales tool. Most people don't optimize their websites well for the Christmas lights industry that I've seen. So if you get a website that's set up well, optimized well with title tags, metadata, keywords within the content, a lot of content that talks about what you do and where you do it, these results are not unreasonable for you. These results are well within the grasp. I mean, Harrisburg isn't a crazy big market. I know a lot of people in a lot of markets who are struggling to get leads from Christmas lights. So, guys, get out there, get something up. What I wanted to show you as well is basically, if you search Harrisburg Christmas lights, they've got the Google business listing is ranking here, in the second spot. And this is without, this is a neat case study because there's not a ton of ongoing work that was done. There wasn't any ongoing work. We did it. We set up the website. We got their Google business listing set up. Don't even believe we did a ton of optimization on it. So there's a few pictures on here. Really not a lot. There's one picture. There's one picture on here, guys. So there's the one picture. It's ranking because it was set up well. And you can see their website mentions Christmas lights, right? So the website is helping that Google business listing to rank. If we look at Harrisburg Christmas light installation, that's the one here. There's no reviews. There's no nothing on here. And it's getting calls coming through like crazy. So guys, if you're looking to get, an additional source of traffic for your Christmas light business, this is a great strategy. This is a great strategy to get some leads. The people that come through, they're actively looking for someone to install their lights. Facebook ads, someone may see the ad and then they're like, oh, cool, I wonder how much that costs. And then you've got to go through that process. Nothing wrong with Facebook ads, but this is just a great way to connect with people who are already looking. Okay. And then, other methods of getting leads, hop into, obviously the website would be great. I've seen some great results and wanted to show this one because we didn't do a whole lot of ongoing work. But another great method of getting leads is post in Facebook groups, post on Craigslist, call around to realtors or whatever. This is just something I wanted to show you guys. Get out there. If you guys, need help with questions or whatever, I'm happy to hop on a call with you guys. Obviously, if you want us to build a website, we can build a website and knock it out of the park for you, but that's not the point of this video. The point is get a website up and optimize it well, get content on there, lay it out, make it look professional, and then, let it be there for next year. Get a Google business listing. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope this video was useful and informative. You can feel free to take a look at the site, kind of go through and see, what we did for content, all of that. Don't copy it. I don't care if you copy it, but it's not going to help you because Google looks at content and wants to see original content. So you want to write it from scratch, basically. So yeah, guys, have an awesome rest of your season. Or, if you're in the new year watching this and are looking for a website, reach out, of course. But have an awesome season. Wishing you all the best over the holidays and looking forward to chatting. Cheers.